idling. It's not idling that smooth. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I look for leaks and everything. I don't see any vacuum leaks or anything. Jordan is on the line right now. I'm going back and forth and he is plugged into my computer. He's looking at all the sensors and everything like that, giving me instructions on turning it off, turning it on, or if I need to go ahead and check something. So let me check in with you guys in just a few minutes.
2 eternity later.
So I've been on and off the phone with Jordan for the last couple hours, and it turns out I have a vacuum leak. So I started building a little fixture so I can do a boost test, but while I was disconnecting everything, I found this little plastic fitting that was totally crimped. So by putting a hose on here and over tightening it, looks like I collapsed this fitting. I think this is the source of my problem. I hope it is. And I'm just gonna run the boost test anyways in just a few minutes, and then we'll get back on the phone with Jordan and hopefully continue the tuning process. Guys, so we are taking the maiden voyage in the E36 M3 Turbo. I'm here with Michael. So Michael's actually the winner of the November VIP sweepstakes. So you guys might have seen we did the VIP all expenses paid trip to San Diego. Well, this is the guy who won. So we're gonna go out for a drive. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. We're not allowed to boost just yet. We're just gonna be monitoring the air fuel ratios, and I'm gonna ask Michael to film. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so we just drove around, just kind of cruising at like 3,000 RPMs. We gave the information back to Jordan, and I'm just verifying some of my wastegate routing, but it looks like at this point we're ready for a little half throttle pull, and maybe 5 to 7 PSI. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, so far so good. All right, update number 72. We are going back and forth with the tune. Everything is looking good. I was just boosting the car, kind of low RPM range, and it looks like it was a little bit rich. So give that information back to Jordan. He's gonna reflash the ECU, leaning it out a little bit. While I'm waiting for him, I'm gonna go ahead and toss on the front bumper. So I thought I'd put the camera down, do a little time lapse right now. Okay, so several hours have passed. I wanted to give you guys an update. We're actually heading out to grab some food right now, but as far as the M3 goes, we were boosting today. Good morning. So we are picking up Sean right now, or meeting up with Sean and his NSX. Michael's gonna ride with him this morning. And we got Alex's truck all loaded up with the boots. So let's get on the way. We're heading to Eibach, let's go. Just getting started over here next to Sean, imported vehicle. Ooh. Ooh, that clean install. Ooh, right in the middle. So there's a bunch of cool cars here. What I want you guys to do is drop a line in the comments below with which car you think is the best. I'm gonna play a long clip right here, so drop some comments. Pack up all our stuff right now, head back down to San Diego. I actually got to drive Michael to the airport. He's flying out at 7 o'clock tonight, so we'll check in with you guys for the road. So, did you have a good time?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Honestly, you can lie.
I did. I really did.
Well, good, man. We really appreciate you coming out this weekend, and we had a great time too. So,
Good.
thanks for being a VIP. Thanks for supporting Throttle, and hopefully we'll see you for Bimmerfest or for the rally.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, we're actually doing a rally. We partnered up with Express Rally, and that rally is going to be in the end of April, and we're actually caravanning from SoCal, from San Diego to Las Vegas. It's actually going to be an overnight thing, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So if you guys are interested in that, I will start to post a little bit more information. It's going to be a ton of fun. You guys been asking me what is going on with the E90 project, and I really haven't been filming too much because I've been focused on the E36. But I wanted to do a quick walk around, tell you about the plans, because we're going to be making a ton of changes over the next couple of weeks. I want to keep you guys informed and updated as to what's to come. So, I am still looking for a driver's side fender. If you guys know of anyone who has one, black, in good condition, please list it on Throttle, send me the link or comment below. Next thing on the list is going to be replacing this windshield trim. So I actually already bought the part. That shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that in. On top of that, the car is going to go through an extensive detail process from the outside to the inside, and it has some pretty deep scratches here. I'm gonna see what I can do as far as polishing or buffing. I think I'm gonna have to take it to a specialist for this. The next thing on the list is to replace these stock wheels. These are 16-inch wheels. The tires are not that great. Car parts. And we're gonna go ahead and get some wider wheels, maybe a different color. I think probably something darker. All right, so it is time to make my custom exhaust here. Now, I actually do want to run the Dynon muffler. This is the stock mid-pipe with twin 2-inch exhaust. What I'm gonna do is basically take this merge collector here with this adapter and hook it up to this device here. Now, this is from a company called Loud Valves. And the reason why I'm running a stock exhaust is all because of this piece. So let me show you how it works. As you guys can see, when I apply boost with that little vacuum port onto the actuator, that little trap door actually opens. So when I'm boosting this car over 5 PSI, that will open and the exhaust is actually gonna cut out right underneath the floorboard of the passenger side. So when I'm not in boost, it's actually gonna go through the entire exhaust out the Dynon muffler. So I'm really excited to see how this sounds. And that's why you wear safety protection all the time. Woo! So this is the fully tacked setup here, running the stock exhaust. And you know, it came out okay. I had this kind of custom Y pipe here. Obviously there's a couple gaps here that are gonna be very difficult to fill, so I may actually cut a slice of metal and see if I can put it in there. But let me go ahead and weld this up the best I can, and then we will toss it on. All right, so here's the finished product. It is not the most beautiful thing in the world, but I think it will work, and I think it's all sealed up. So that's awesome. Let's go ahead and toss this in the car, bolt everything up. Can't wait to put it down and hear it for the first time. Here we go. All right, here's the first startup. Pretty quiet. Second gear was gnarly. Holy crap. Oh my god. Woo-hoo-hoo! Alright, we need to make sure that everything is all squared away. We're gonna head back to the warehouse now. Maybe we'll do one more pull. We'll see. Third gear. Oh my god, it's quick. Holy shit! We're looking pretty good. Air fuel ratio's good. It's looking about 12 psi though, 11, 12 psi. So I don't think we should be able to boost anymore for today. Alright, I gotta get on the phone with Jordan, guys. That is all the boosting we're gonna be doing today. I'm sorry to leave you with such a cliffhanger. Holy crap, is this thing fast. Stay tuned for a full video of boosting throughout all the gears. Wow. Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed those 2 clips. I know it was kind of brief, but I want to get on the phone with Jordan tomorrow, confirm everything is okay, and that we're ready to proceed and keep boosting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.